If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and what a sight, man. Bitcoin is at $18,240. Amazing, beautiful, beautiful. This is super awesome. We had a pennant, it's not in play anymore. We had this bear pennant right there. We came down like this, moved sideways, broke down, but the technical target was meant to come in. But this one actually turned into some different sort of looking pattern right now. Okay, all right, so 18,000 is actually stepping in right now, and I think all the effect thanks to the monthly inverted hammer that we have here. So you can see that this is your inverted hammer, and that inverted hammer is kind of having its effect as well. Now I'm a little bit in doubt, okay, that you have 19 days 22 hours. So look at the right side of your screen, and you have to understand that within 19 days 22 hours you're going to actually close January and start the February race. One thing that actually concerns me about Bitcoin is that this candle right here doesn't really, it has a very small wick to the downside, okay, and I don't think that's a good sign. That's not a good sign, okay. We're in the early days of the month, like 11 days have passed by, 11-12 days have already passed by, and when you start to make that big green candle from 16,500 and now you're trading at $18,200, some analysts are saying that Bitcoin is looking for some short squeeze before actually dropping down. So that's something you gotta be careful about, okay. Some really good technical analysts are still reporting that the market is still far from over from going to the downside. I personally don't really follow anyone. It's just a news that I get because Facebook and Google like to give you advertisement when you try to talk with crypto, when you talk about crypto with your friends, and it's like your phone hears you, the AI things, they start to give you the news feed about crypto as well. It's like those idiots don't even take permission to ask you if we can hear your conversation or not. They just go on and hear my conversation about crypto, and they start to give me news about crypto. Okay, if I talk about stocks, oh, look at it, oh, my phone just popped up with stocks. So I'm just joking. Anyways, now, so look at this one, right? So you don't have a wick down here. That's going to be a little bit of a concern to me, because in 19 days you can do a lot of things. You can actually try to move up again. By the middle of the month you get a mid-month reversal, and for this mid-month reversal you start to move lower to $12,000. okay, this can be a very quick wick up like this, and then boom, all the way to the downside. That's something you got to be careful. The last time you made this inverted hammer, you can see you did the same thing. You made that green candle, and then from there you started to move to the downside. So however, if this month you're not going to drop down, okay, you can still do the very same thing that you did right over there, okay, where you made that green monthly candle because of that inverted hammer, and then you continue with the red. Okay, so make this a green candle for January, and from there February can actually continue even way more lower to the downside. Okay, on the monthly we still can even expect this to be a big resistance coming up, and I'm going to show you that one big resistance like that. Okay, so this resistance on a monthly time frame is sort of like in play. Maybe if we dive in on the weekly time frame, it's going to be a little bit clear. So right now you are pumping to that resistance point, so what is going to happen will be interesting. Okay, so the weekly, this is your big resistance right now, and let's actually turn on the EMAs as well, because here we are. Okay, so one touch right over there, one touch right over here, and you're about to make another touch right over there. So it's always been between the 10 and the 20, the 10 and the 20, the 10 push a little bit up to the 20, which is $19,000, and you still have this support there, support right here, loss of support, come back for the retest as well, and still that is a bearish pennant. That is a bearish pattern and a retest of a bearish pattern. Now, who told you you cannot retest something twice? this wasn't even a proper retest, by the way. If you look at it, that's just a very weak retest of just a small wick to the upside. I think they're actually gonna do something like this, you know, $19,300, and from there get rejected here. Now the fun part actually starts from this point onwards, from this zone right here. So the fun point is that, you see, this is a retest. What if you just pass the retest and get bullish and go up? Okay, that's it sounds good, right? Sounds good. So if that can happen, that would be amazing. Pass the retest, backtest the retest, boom, you start to move up like this, coil up, come back to this, break that resistance. From there to there, it's a good shoot up to 26,000. Come up and break 26,000. From there, it's a good shoot to 32,000 as well. So see, so we go step by step. Right now, I'm gonna still say one thing, that yes, it's a green candle, it's a really good green candle, but you still have this resistance, you have that resistance, and notice how you are always sold really badly whenever you are at that particular resistance as well. I don't know if I can actually zoom out a little bit, and this resistance takes you all the way back to that area. You can see, yeah, it actually starts from this zone. So look at that one there, second there, third one, and you can actually look for this fourth one as well. And because I'm looking at altcoin breaking that the resistance as well, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin does even actually break out, backtest, then this huge descending triangle and a technical target to go down to $10,000 is going to be cancelled. It's not going to be in play because that pattern gets invalidated and you come back. That only means you broke down, you came for the retest, you passed the retest, boom, go up. That's the only meaning about it. So that's pretty much it for this quick up. It's not a very quick one, but a medium quick update on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.